Good morning, students. Last video we had completed periodic properties, oxidation state baki tha, that is also completed. Now there are some anomalous properties, some different property. Anomalous मतलब different properties. उसमें से हम पहला पढ़ रहे हैं diagonal relationship. भाई periodic table क्यों बनाया कि जो एक ग्रुप में सारे elements हैं उन सब की property same होती है because their valence shell configuration is same. That's why they kept in a group. But first element, these are called second period element. Second period element shows different properties as compared to their group elements. जैसे lithium की property सोडियम, पोटेशियम, रुबिडियम, सीजियम इनसे थोड़ी अलग होगी. But lithium shows similar property with magnesium of second group. Similarly, beryllium shows similar relation with aluminium. Boron shows similar properties like silicon of 14th group. Similarly, carbon and phosphorus, nitrogen and sulfur, oxygen and chlorine, their properties are quite similar. तो second period के जो elements हैं, they are different from their group elements, but they show similar property with their neighboring group element. This type of relationship is known as diagonal relationship. Lithium has diagonal relationship with magnesium. Beryllium has diagonal relationship with aluminium. Boron has diagonal relationship with silicon. So this type of relationship is known as diagonal relationship. What do you mean by diagonal relationship? So diagonal relationship means diagonal relationship. What it means? It means that the first element of group 1, first element of group 1, that is lithium, shows similar property with similar properties with magnesium of second group element. Second group element. This type of relationship is known as diagonal relationship. Now the question is, why they show similar property even then their electronic valence shell electronic configurations are different? What is the reason for showing similar behavior? Group अलग अलग છે, valence shell configuration अलग अलग છે, तो પછી એ લોકોની property same કેમ હોય? Why? Reason is because they have charge to size ratio same. What's the reason? The reason is their charge to radius, that is size. ये जो ratio है, charge to size ratio, this ratio is same. That's why their properties are similar. If we calculate charge to size ratio for lithium and that for magnesium, then they will same. So as this ratio is same, this ratio is called polarizing power. Charge to size ratio is known as polarizing power. So both the ions या both the metals have same polarizing power, and that's why their properties are same. Now in what way they are similar, which properties they have similar like? So they have very small size, high electron negativity compared to other elements. Ionization enthalpy high, electron gain enthalpy is also positive. Because of these four reasons, their properties are similar. So in what way lithium and magnesium are similar? So lithium and magnesium, yeah, beryllium and aluminium, they are similar due to, we can say, first, small size. Second, high ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy high. Third, due to absence of d orbital. Due to absence of d orbital. Fourth, they show due to absence of d orbital high negativity. high electronegativity. High electronegativity. Because of these reasons, lithium and magnesium are similar, but lithium is differ from its group element. Lithium is differ from its group elements. Group elements. કેમ lithium જુદો પડે બીજા બધા elements થી? Why the first member, that is beryllium, is different from its group element? Lithium belong to first group, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. lithium एकदम अलग है इन सबसे. सेकंड ग्रुप में बेरिलियम है, वो मैग्नीशियम, कैल्शियम, स्ट्रोंशियम, बेरियम, इन सब से डिफरेंट बिहेवियर शो करता है. व्हाट इज द रीजन? व्हाई द फर्स्ट मेंबर शो, second period element show different behavior from other group elements? Due to their small size, due to their high ionization enthalpy, due to absence of d orbital. What it mean? I'll tell you. High electron negativity compared to other group elements, their properties are different. We take an example of what is meaning of absence of d orbital. What it mean? See, if we talk about beryllium and magnesium, what is the configuration of beryllium and magnesium? Beryllium atomic number is 4, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p khali. Magnesium atomic number 12, configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Okay, their valency is +2. When they lose 2 electron, they become 1s2, 2s2. 2s na electron jata rehse, so 2s will be vacant, 2p will be vacant. How many vacant orbitals are there? 4. 4 vacant orbitals. While in magnesium, suppose it lose 2 electron and become Mg+2, then its configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. +2 means 3sk electron lost. Now 3s orbital is vacant, 3p is vacant, 3d is also vacant. How many vacant orbitals are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 vacant orbitals. 9 vacant orbitals. उससे क्या होता है? इसमें तो नहीं होता है, 2d तो पॉसिबल नहीं है आगे, तो इसमें वेकेंट ऑर्बिटल सिर्फ 4 है और इसमें वेकेंट ऑर्बिटल कितने हैं? 4 से ज्यादा. इसीलिए मैक्सिमम कोवेलेंसी यानी मैक्सिमम बॉन्ड बनाने की कैपेसिटी बेरिलियम में कितनी है? सिर्फ 4, जबकि मैग्नीशियम में more than 4, that is 6 bonds can be formed by magnesium. So covalency can be more of third period, fourth period, fifth period element due to presence of vacant d orbital. But in second period element, vacant d orbital is not present, so they cannot form more bonds up to certain limit. Suppose beryllium hai, so it can form maximum of 4 bonds. It cannot form more than 4 bonds. But magnesium, calcium, they can form more bonds because they have vacant d orbitals. So because there is absence of d orbital in second period elements, they do not exceed their covalencies. Next drawback for second period element is due to their small size, they form only covalent bonds. They form covalent bond due to small size. They do not lose electron. जैसे BeCl2, beryllium chloride is covalent. Rest all calcium chloride, barium chloride, they are ionic compound. ये ionic है. तो ये कैसा compound है? Covalent compound. So first member lithium chloride, it has some covalent character in it, but potassium chloride, sodium chloride, they are pure ionic compounds. So first member has some covalent characters, their compounds are covalent due to small size. One more reason for their anomalous behavior, and that is they can form multiple bonds due to their small size. Their orbitals will be near to each other. So overlapping will be perfect and they can form multiple bonds. See, carbon and oxygen, they form double bond. But rest of the members, they are not able to form मल्टीपल बॉन्ड पाई बॉन्ड. जैसे अगर अपन एग्जांपल लें CO2 और SiO2. कार्बन इज सेकंड पीरियड एलिमेंट, सिलिकॉन इज थर्ड पीरियड एलिमेंट. इसमें मल्टीपल बॉन्ड है कार्बन और ऑक्सीजन के बीच में, पाई बॉन्ड है. एंड हियर ऑल आर सिंगल बॉन्ड लाइक दिस. सिलिकॉन कैन नॉट फॉर्म पाई बॉन्ड लाइक कार्बन बिकॉज सिलिकॉन इज बिगर इन साइज. So its orbital cannot overlap and form pi bonds. So multiple bond is possible only with second period element. Carbon also form triple bond with nitrogen. There is triple bond between nitrogen and nitrogen. There is double bond between two oxygen atoms. They all are second period elements. So second period elements are able to form multiple bonds while the rest of the elements, third period, fourth period, they are not able to form any multiple bonds. So this way second period elements show anomalous properties from rest of the elements. What is the reason? Due to their small size, due to their high ionization enthalpy, they cannot lose electron. That's why they form covalent compounds. They have absence of d orbital. So they cannot exceed the number of bonds. They cannot exceed their covalency. And at last, second period elements form multiple bonds. Rest of the elements, they cannot form pi bond or multiple bonds with other elements. Clear? See one question. Are the oxidation state and covalency of aluminium is same? Example 3.9. Solved example given 3.9. Compound is given AlCl H2O5 2 plus. AlCl H2O5 2 plus. He is asking oxidation state and covalency, are they same? तो the oxidation state of aluminium कितना होगा और covalency कितनी होगी. इसका अगर अपन स्ट्रक्चर बनाएं, एल्यूमिनियम पे वैलेंसी काउंट करें तो एल्यूमिनियम जो है इस तरीके का स्ट्रक्चर होगा. 5 वाटर मॉलिक्यूल 1 Cl. See, this is Cl, covalent bond, H2O neutral, H2O neutral, H2O neutral, 5 H2O, 4 and this 5. And whole the charge is plus 2. And this aluminium have minus 1 charge, this aluminium will have plus 1 charge. So total charge will be plus 3. What is the oxidation state of aluminium? Plus 3. Clear? What is covalency? ऐसे भी आप काउंट कर सकते हो ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट. सी दिस वे आल्सो यू कैन काउंट. इट्स AlCl H2O5 whole 2 plus. एल्यूमिनियम का चार्ज फाइंड करना है अपन को. व्हाट्स फॉर क्लोरीन? -1. व्हाट्स फॉर वाटर? इट इज न्यूट्रल, सो 0. होल इसके ऊपर कितना चार्ज है? 2. So what is the valency of aluminium? Now what is covalency? Covalency means the bond formed by aluminium. How many bonds formed by aluminium? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So covalency of aluminium will be 6. Covalency 6. So covalency and oxidation states are different in this compound. Clear? Now one question and then periodic trends we will do in next video. One more question. Suppose they are telling to find out the formulas for the following compound. जैसे पहला इसने दिया है phosphorus and fluorine. Compound बनाने, formula of compound. Some I'll do it for you and rest all you have to complete. Question number 3.32 it is. Some E1 is given, phosphorus and fluorine. Phosphorus and fluorine. What is the formula for phosphorus and fluorine? We know fluorine has minus 1 valency and phosphorus have 5. So formula will be PF5. Either two valencies of phosphorus are there, 3 and minus 1. So PF3. Two formulas of phosphorus and fluorine, PF3 and PF5. Phosphorus pentafluoride and phosphorus trifluoride. One more I will do for you. Aluminium iodide. Aluminium iodide. Iodide. How to find? We know aluminium has valency 3, 13th group element. Iodide halogen has minus 1. So formula will be AlI3. This is aluminium iodide. We are done in 7th, 8th standard also. Valencies are very important in chemistry. Without valency, without compound, you are not able to do anything. Inorganic में तो बहुत ही खास जरूरी है. इसलिए अगर valencies नहीं आती हैं, तो search it, note it down, and remember all the valencies. Suppose we want to write electronic configuration, formula for silicon bromide. Silicon bromide. You should know the formula. What is the valency of silicon? 4 plus. Bromide minus 1. Charges same થવા જોઈએ. Silicon ઉપર plus 4 charge છે, bromine ઉપર minus 1 છે. Compound neutral હોય. એટલે આને minus 1 થી 4 કરવું હોય તો શું કરવું પડે? Multiply by 4 કરવું પડે. તો I plus 4 થઈ જાય અને I minus 4 થઈ જાય. આને 4 થી multiply કર્યો ને એટલે formula શું થશે? SiBr4. This is the formula of silicon tetrabromide. Clear? Next video we will do periodic properties of some elements in the table. Last topic of the chapter.